trust your instincts. When something feels wrong, it usually is. Verify everything methodically. Take the time to research thoroughly. These simple habits form an effective shield against even the most convincing scams. The difference between losing your investment and protecting it often comes down to these basic verification steps. Your financial security deserves this minimal effort. By implementing this protection playbook, you'll navigate the crypto landscape with greater confidence and significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to scammers. If you've been scammed, if you're watching this and just realized you might be in the middle of a scam right now, I want you to take a deep breath. Maybe you've already sent money to someone who promised amazing crypto returns, or maybe you're just getting suspicious about that investment advisor who keeps calling you. Either way, here's exactly what you need to do right now to protect yourself. First, stop all communication with the suspected scammers immediately. I mean right now. Don't send another message explaining why you're leaving. Don't answer their calls to tell them off. Just ghost them completely. This might feel rude or uncomfortable, but it's absolutely necessary. These people are professional manipulators who know exactly what to say to keep you on the hook. Any further contact gives them another chance to pressure you or convince you to send more money. Don't worry about their feelings. They certainly aren't worried about yours. Even if they're threatening you or promising they can fix the situation if you just send a bit more. Money, don't respond. These are classic tactics to extract more funds from victims who are starting to catch on. They might claim you need to pay withdrawal fees or taxes before getting your money back. This is another lie to get more money from you. The next step is time sensitive. Contact your bank or credit card company immediately to report the fraud. Call them the second you finish watching this video. Every minute counts. If you used a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card, there might be a small window where the transaction can be stopped or reversed. When you call, be clear. I've been the victim of a cryptocurrency investment scam, and I need to report fraudulent transactions. Give them the exact dates, amounts, and destinations of your transfers. Ask them to flag your account and discuss whether you should close current accounts and open new ones. Taking this step is scary but empowering. You're actively fighting back against the scammers. Next, report the scam to authorities. File reports with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, the Federal Trade Commission, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Your report helps track scammers and potentially protect others. This official record might prove important later. Document everything related to the scam. Screenshots of conversations, emails, websites, transaction receipts, everything. Save all communications with dates and times. Copy down wallet addresses where you sent crypto. Record phone call details. Even small details you think don't matter could help investigators in recovery efforts. This documentation is your evidence, concrete proof of what happened that strengthens your case with authorities. Now, protect your identity. Change all passwords immediately, especially email and financial accounts. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. Enable two-factor authentication on everything. Contact the 3 major credit bureaus to place fraud alerts on your credit reports. Consider freezing your credit entirely, which prevents anyone from opening new accounts in your name. Monitor your credit reports and bank statements closely for suspicious activity. Your quick action here forms a protective shield around your remaining financial assets and personal information. Going through something like this can feel isolating and embarrassing, but you're not alone. Consider reaching out to support organizations like the Crypto Defenders Alliance or the Global Anti-Scam Organization. These groups help victims of cryptocurrency fraud and can provide guidance on your specific situation. To summarize your emergency action plan: 1. Cut all contact with scammers. 2. Report to your bank immediately. 3. File reports with authorities. 4. Document everything. 5. Protect your identity. 6. Seek support. Act within the first 24 hours if possible. The faster you move, the better your chances of limiting the damage. I need to be honest, recovery of funds is unfortunately rare in crypto scams. Cryptocurrency transactions are designed to be irreversible. But quick action can sometimes lead to recovery, especially if the scammers haven't had time to move or launder the funds yet. Even if you can't get your money back, these steps prevent further losses and protect you from additional harm. Your report helps authorities build cases against these criminals, potentially stopping them from hurting others. Remember, falling for a scam doesn't mean you're stupid. These scammers are professionals who use sophisticated psychological manipulation. Many smart, careful people have fallen victim. The important thing now is to act quickly to protect yourself and begin the process of recovering, both financially and emotionally, from this experience. I got lucky. One moment of skepticism and basic research saved me from losing $10,000 to a sophisticated AI-powered crypto scam. Here's what I learned. The best protection isn't knowing all the technical crypto stuff. It's recognizing when your emotions are messing with your brain. When excitement, FOMO, or misplaced trust clouds your judgment, pause. Ask yourself, can I explain this investment to a friend? Am I being rushed? Do the returns seem weirdly consistent? These questions are your financial cliff edge guardrails. Taking a moment to verify could save everything you've worked for.